Hello everyone. Today we're gonna do a brown backdrop in game. I received a lot of questions about my backdrop, how it works, how we attach the garland. So today I'm gonna show you more closer how we do it. We just arrived in the place. It's gonna be outside. So I'm preparing my garland here inside. So I'm using pale blue, royal blue, and double stacked black and white balloons to make it light green. And additionally, I'm gonna add some silver ORBZ balloons and flowers.
Okay, now it's time for the backdrop. We are going to use the round frame to set up the backdrop. So first thing is to take every piece out of our box, and we're going to show you how to mount it. It's very windy, so we're going to just do a voiceover the video. So first thing is to unscrew the two screws of the two legs, and we're gonna place the screw ready to be screwed. Super easy. We're gonna take the pillowcase fabric. Once again, this is a specific fabric for this size of round frame. You can purchase it on our website. You can also have the frame without the fabrics, or the fabrics alone if you already have a frame of this size. So for this one we chose a light blue and white, and we're gonna set up on the side of the light blue. What's important is to put the handle of the big black plate on the back. So the first thing is to put the piece of frame with the two legs inside the two holes of the fabric pillowcase. So once you found these two holes, you put one leg into each hole. Super easy. Again, a lot of wind, not so easy to do it outside. So let's take the plate, put it on the right side, handle up or down depending on the side of the fabric you want to show. So we screw one leg and then we just screw the other one. Make sure it is as tight as possible but not too much so you won't have any difficulties to untie it. But it has to be tight so it doesn't wiggle too much. And to tighten it, we use the tool that is provided with the frame. Okay, once done, we put it back on the floor and we're gonna open wide the zipped pillowcase and put it on the floor. Just gather it so you don't walk on it and make it dirty. So start from any end and just match all the numbers. Keep in mind it's always easier to finish the frame on right side or left side instead of the top side, which is pretty high because it's 7 feet high. So you do from one side and you go around until the last one. It will be also easier to finish on one side since you can move it a little bit from front to back and right to left to adjust it. It doesn't adjust the size, but it makes easy to put the pieces together. Once it's done, you're gonna take the pillowcase and you're gonna gather the two sides and you gotta pull it up on one side, hold it together and pull up the other side so it stays by itself and you can just zip it up with help of nobody else but you. So only one person for this job. It's really super easy unless you have, like today, a lot of wind. I'm doing my best here, guys. Little by little. Because we wash it every time we use it, the fabric gets not smaller, but it gets a little harder to close. So when you want to close it, just go small piece by a small piece. And as you can see, it's all doable without forcing too much. At the end, I'm gonna leave a little space unzipped so I can put a 260 to attach the balloons. If you have a lot of wind outside or you just want to secure your frame, just put some weight. We have these pretty heavy plates that we got from another frame and that we use often for this kind of frame. It kind of secure it and make it very stable. Let's have a look closer. Here we have an open space and we have sewed some hooks with fishnets. They're sewed just outside the zip. It's still in the white space, so it doesn't show up. We can't see them, and we just add some. Oh, this was this was an old one. Get rid of this and just put a new 260. This is a pretty strong hook. It's fishnet, so these we're gonna remove them as well. And we have 1, 2, and 3 hooks, pretty strong, that we can use to attach the organic arch. This I'm gonna do it again later. Has to be sewed nice and good. Again, this is not provided. This is something you're gonna have DIY. pretty nice view today. We're so lucky sometimes to have so nice view. We're on a rooftop of a low building in Aventura, and it makes the job so much even better. So here we're gonna attach a 260, prepare some for a few points on the arch, and we can just finish zipping and close entirely the pillowcase. And on each hook we're gonna add half a 260. These are fantastic because they let you just adjust the arch and it goes right on your frame. It's really, really good.
Corner just to be everybody. Please let me know if you have any question left about our backdrop. And don't forget to put like if you like our video and subscribe to our channel. Have a wonderful day.